I'm here to help you choose the right wet patch roof leak repair product. We have the 208 Wet Patch with a 7-year warranty. We have the 208R Rubberized Wet Patch with a 10-year warranty. And we have our best 209 Extreme Wet Patch with a lifetime warranty. The 208R Rubberized 10-year warranty allows better flexibility with expansion and contraction of the substrate. The 209 Extreme Lifetime Warranty Wet Patch has a UV inhibitor, has more flexibility than our rubberized version, and it's great for metal-to-metal applications and expansion joints. On all 3 Henry Wet Patch products can be applied up to temperatures up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and as low as 20, 10, and 0 degrees.